Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is the time of the month where we take a look at the different versions of Windows 10 and where we are at exactly in there. So, of course, we are ending April 2021, and today, Tuesday, April 27th, 2021. We are, of course, looking at the ad duplex numbers. They survey over 70,000 Windows PCs worldwide, and that's where to get the statistics of what version of Windows we're getting. 10% jump of Windows 10 20H2. That's the October 2020 update. So the latest version of Windows 10 is at a pretty much almost equal to the version 2004, the May 2020 update. And together they now make 80.7% of all Windows 10 PCs. That means the majority of you guys out there are in one of the two versions of last year that are very similar in code anyways. 1909 is at 11.1%. So that is should get smaller as we're moving towards the fact that in a couple of weeks the end of support will be there for 1909. Most of the gain from Windows 10 October or 20H2 seems to come from 1903 and 1909 that have lowered their numbers respectively. A little bit of loss for the version of the May 2020 update, version 2004. It was 42 last month. It's 40.6 this month. So a little bit went to 20H2, but most of the gains come from older versions of Windows where people have been pushed to 20H2 now. So one more month before these numbers will now start having competition. And we're going to talk about that in the next video, where 21H1 is soon to be released. Interesting to look at these numbers. It's interesting to see that, but I'm surprised that not that many people moved from 2004 to 20H2, considering that it's such a small update. But at the same time, I also understand that, when people are comfortable with a version of Windows, they find it okay to stay there in general. What's nice is that anyone on the May 2020 update, it's a small cumulative update that doesn't take very long to install to move to 20H2, and the same will be true for 21H1, so that's at least good news. Only small updates ahead, nothing major. That's going to feel better than having, a big gun feature update that is complicated and long to install. So, nice to see this. It's nice to see that Microsoft, you can say Microsoft is actually working well with its updates with everybody, the majority of you out there now in one of the two versions of last year. And we'll see how this will actually work with new versions this year, how all of that is going to mix in and blend in. One of the things that will probably happen at some point, because if you're on the May 2020 update, it is now past or about a year into the release. You will actually have about 6 months left now before end of support. So that means that 20H2 will get numbers from the version 2004 as the months continue. Maybe even people moving to 21H1 is going to be interesting to see how that rollout is going to happen after its release in about a month's time. So 40%, pretty much equal, both versions of last year in the Windows 10 market share right now for April 2021. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.